Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily integrate Zoho Books with Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to books.zoho.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on the settings icon, then just scroll down, then look for developer and data. Then under this, just click on connections. Next, just click on New Connection, and from the list of default services, just scroll down until you see Shopify. Then click on it. So from here, we're just going to fill in connection details, and we're just going to name this Shopify. And once done, just head over and click on Create and Connect. So from here, just proceed by clicking on Connect. To finalize the Shopify connection, we're going to need to provide these necessary details, starting with the shop ID, API key, API secret key, and admin API access token. Then once done, just head over and click on Authorize. So our Shopify store is now successfully connected on Zoho Books. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!